Let's continue with our 24 game in Xcode. So last time we created a label near the top of the screen. Here it is. We can make this label to the width of the whole screen. Okay. Better to put these guys in the center. So we can do that. Here. With that select. With the 7 selected, we can click here, alignment, center, core. Let's give it a try, run it. Yeah, when we click the button, the number changes from 7 to 5. That's how we code the logic in here. Let's hide that one. And move it to the right. Ideally, this guy can be dynamic. Let's create a random number. So here, let's remove it. We don't need it for now. So the way to create a random number is something like let hard1 value equals ARC, wait for autocomplete. Okay, this is the system provided function we need. So we can use this syntax, backslash, parentheses, inside a pair of double quotes. This syntax is to display the value of some variable or constant here. So we can type card, card1 value, the second one. Let's give a try. Stop it. Run again. So this time when we click it, a random number will show up here. Yes, but it's huge. Click again. Every time it shows a different random number. Cool. But how can we make this gigantic integer smaller? Better like put them within the range from 1 to 10. That's our card value. We use something called getting remainder. The syntax for getting remainder, the operator is %. It is pronounced like modulo or mod. So integer mod 10 will get the ones place of that number. For example, 123 mod 10, the quotient is 12 and the remainder should be 3. So when we put that here, card1 value will become whatever this number will get its ones place digit. Let's give it a try. Next, next, next. Cool. So we can duplicate, we can repeat the same idea for all the other 3 cards. Let's remove this, clean up that one. And let's go to main storyboard. So click here. Let's add 3 more labels. One, let's add another 2, another 3, and bring up the right hand property panel. Let's check how big the font size we are using. 64. Okay, we can select all the 3 and change the font size for them all together. 64. Let's arrange their layout. Like that. And let's hide this one first. Hide the bottom console and make it a little bit bigger so it's easier for us to work on it. And a little bit smaller. Cool. And let's put the initial value here, 3, and alignment. Same thing here. We can always use the blue guidelines to help layout. Put a 10 here. Oh, enter again. Now let's bring up the view controller file by clicking here, 2 circles. We need to hold on Control key, then drag, put it here to follow our naming convention. Now it's card 2 label connect. repeat again for the third card. Card 3, label, connect. The last one, card 4, label, connect. Now we can make this one. Okay, we can simply make a copy of that here, here, and here. So we can copy this one and paste it here. Card 2, we have to, yeah, modify card 2. Oh yeah, make a copy of here because this one should be card 2. Card 3, 3, and 3. Last one. Yeah, it complains this one. Let's see what's the error message. The card 1. Oh, definition conflicts with previous value. Yeah, because we already defined card 1 here. So card 4, 4, 4. Let's give it a try. Next. Wow. It's playable. It's a real 24 game. Next. 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 Wow. Next. Next. Let's make the font size bigger so we can let's hide. No. Select all of them and change the font size to, let's double it, 128. Oh, hide it. Wait a minute. I think we can do. Okay. Guideline. The button, the center. Yeah, hopefully it looks better. Next. Oh, wait a minute. What happened here? There's a 0. That is bad. We don't have 0 when we play the real 24 game with playing cards. Next. Next. 0 again. And it seems there's another problem. Did you find it? We never saw 10. What's wrong? Can you pause the video and trying to figure out why it behaves like that and how to fix it. Okay, I assume you already get a go with that. Let's take a look at our code here. The reason is the remainder of any integer divided by 10 means this number mod 10, the result is within the range from 0 to 9. So we can fix that by adding 1 here. So the whole range will switch from 0 to 9 to 1 to 10. That's exactly what we need. Plus 1, easy fix, right? But here is how we use our math skill to solve problem. Let's try it again. This is the initial value, okay? No 0, but still no 10. No 0, that's good. No 0. Oh, we have 10. We have 2 10s. Okay, cool, it's fixed. There's no 0, and we should be able to see the 10. Cool, let's play with that.